I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sonata Austin folding electric bike. So let's open the box and see what's in it. So this is what's in the box. Let's take it out. This pretty much came put all together. Look at, there's the seat, and then it's together except for just the folding part of it. Now that's convenient. Today I'm going to be talking about the Sonata Austin foldable e-bike. This thing can move, and it's got really great brakes and a lot more. I'm going to bring you closer and show you all about it. Let's start with the LED screen. This is how you're going to turn it on. This nice LED screen shows you how much battery you have left, the miles per hour you're going, the pedal assist, what level you're on, and the miles you've gone. And right here is where you're going to do the pedal assist. So you can go up, 3, 4, 5, or push the minus arrow and you're going to go down. This Sonata Austin has really great handlebars. You can see that these are really great grips right here, and these brakes stop on a dime. And here you have the Shimano gears. So if you just want to ride the bike like a regular bike, it has the Shimano gears, and you can just push them up or take it down. And when you're going up a steep hill or you just want to cruise, right here is going to be your throttle. You're just going to pull it towards you and you are going to cruise. And of course, you have to have the all-important bell. To turn the front headlight on, you're going to hold down the plus, and you can see right there that the headlight is on. It has really nice tires that are going to get you through anything. As you can see, I've ridden them through the sand, and they ride really great through the sand down here in Florida. And of course, the all-important disc brakes, and it has the shock absorbers. It has this great saddle, and of course, right here, it's adjustable. This is the battery, and it comes with a set of 2 keys. The back seat flips up here and makes it really easy to get to the battery. And you just press this button and it'll tell you how much battery you have. It has a nice sturdy kickstand. And look at this cushion on the back of the bike. Usually they just have a rack, but it's really nice to have a cushion, because if you're riding on a rough road or something, that if you strap something back here, that you don't have to worry about it knocking around or anything. And it has this nice cushion that's going to take the brunt of the bumps. To fold it, you're going to release this and pull this out. And then you're going to fold it like this. And then this is what it looks like when it's folded. And as you can see, it has a kickstand down here that it sits on. To fold the handle, you're going to release this lever. And then after you unlatch that, you're just going to fold the handlebars down. And this is really a neat feature. When you're folding it, you just push it in and pull it up, and the pedals fold in. And you see, it fits right in my Class B, right in the front seat of my van. Just took out the seat, we'll put that there. Got her, I could even strap it in there, and I'm ready to travel. The Sonata Austin comes in 2 different colors, white and black. The recommended heights for the Sonata is between 4'11" and 6'3". It has a max load of 280 pounds and a range of 62 miles. It goes up to 25 miles per hour and weighs 61.2 pounds. It has a 48 volt, 14 amp hour battery. It comes with super anti-slip fat tires that adapt to all terrain. They are 3.0 mountain bike fat tires, which provide and ensure optimal performance and control. The Sonata Austin comes with 180 millimeter mechanical disc brakes, which deliver sufficient stopping power for swift and smooth braking. It has a suspension fork, which absorbs road shocks and impacts, resulting in a more comfortable and smoother ride. It comes with a 2-year warranty on the frame and the parts and a 1-year warranty on the battery. They offer many ways to reach out for customer support, and you also become part of the community of Senada owners. A really great thing is that when you get your Austin, it already comes 90% pre-assembled. And it's also foldable for easy transportation. It's a beautiful day here in Florida, and I have been meaning to try out, I've been here, I don't know, a couple months, and I've been meaning to try out this juice stand. And so that's where we're taking off to today. So, safety first, let's get our helmet on, and let's ride. This is lemon and cucumber. He makes it fresh every day. And that guy Jose I was talking to, he paid for it. Wow, I love Florida. Well, that was a fun adventure. Boy, this thing moves, and what a beautiful day. I couldn't think of a better way. Ooh, on a busy road. A better way to spend my Sunday afternoon. And Senada is having a flash sale right now. This Austin is only $719. And so this bike right now is on sale for $999. And you can use my code. I will leave the link in the description below and the code, and you can use that and get yourself one of these. Actually, that's a great price for something like this. Plus, it's a lightweight bike. It really folds up compact, and you can take it anywhere, especially when you're in a van like me and you're on the road. So, you know what to do. Go out and make an adventure, no matter how big or how small. You don't have to sell everything and move into a van. Just get yourself a Sonata Austin and go call someone you love. And as Joy says, tell them that you love them. And don't you dare forget your magic. I will see you in the next one. Bye.